Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering proof and quick wins. Check any password manager, browser-saved credentials, and secure notes on your devices. Once done, locate a device where you're already logged in. That session often lets you view or change credentials. Make sure you also have your recovery email and phone nearby, plus any backup codes. These prerequisites speed recovery and prove ownership. They avoid contacting support. Start with what's easiest before moving into account recovery flows. Next, follow the email provider's recovery flow step by step. Enter the address, choose Forgot Password, and use the offered verification methods, a code to your recovery email or phone, or an authenticator app prompt. If asked, supply recent passwords, approximate account creation date, and recovery contacts. These details help automated systems confirm ownership. Be patient and accurate. Multiple failed attempts can lock you temporarily. If a logged-in device exists, use it to confirm identity and skip some verification steps. Finally, reset your password to a strong, unique passphrase and immediately update any saved credentials in password managers and browsers. Once changed, enable two-factor authentication, review recovery options, and sign out of other devices or revoke suspicious sessions. Make sure to record backup codes in a secure place. If you still cannot regain access, contact the provider's support through official channels and be ready to verify identity with government ID and account details. That step resolves most persistent lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.